comfortable. But this body style is starting to come on quite a bit. Even the later years of this body style. But for them that don't know, trying to get right there is a Dodge Charger. It's got a set of magnums on it. The car's a little crusty. It says not for parts, so I'm assuming they're wanting to sell the whole car. This is sitting outside of a salvage yard here in Mabin, North Carolina. I'm gonna see if I can't get a shot of the sign right there. If anybody's interested, they might could give them a call, find out a little more about it. But I said on the window, it doesn't say not for sale, it says not for parts. So I'm assuming it is for sale, and they're just wanting to sell the whole car. And that Buick's probably the same way. I was looking, the front bumper's fairly straight on this car. One of the grill sides is busted right there, you can see it. And like I said, she's a little crusty. You can see the fender got a little rot in it right there. But it is an SE. It's got that nice hood medallion on it, and it's got the those little turn signals up on the fenders, which I always thought was pretty cool. A lot of cars done back in, but Chrysler I think put them on about everything. This one's got the it's got the chrome sport mirror. I'm right here by the highway, so it's kind of hard to hear. Sorry about that, folks. It's been off the road for a while, 4 of 1990. So yeah, she's been off the road for a spell. You can see this was looks like it was a vinyl top car. See how the top's getting, where it's seamed at the factory. You see maybe right there where the trim and stuff used to be. Somebody's tried to save it. They peeled the top off and hit it with a lick of primer at one time or another. Right there, it don't look too bad. It's got a set of the road wheels on them. A lot of people call them Magnum 500s. It's got a full set on it. All the emblems and stuff are on it, so this car might not be too bad. I'm going to get my shadow out of that. So you can see that rear quarter right there. A little rot in the bottom. But, not too bad. A little bit in front of the rear wheel, but your rockers and stuff look okay. Fender's a little boogered up right there at the front. But, all in all, not a bad looking old car. Lord knows we've bought and tried to save worse. One thing I thought was pretty cool about this car is the interior. And, I'm thinking this is probably a later, like a 74 maybe, 73, maybe 74. If you look close at that front bumper, you can see where the big rubber bumpers have been taken off. You see the clean spot right there. A lot of people done. You see right there where the clean spot is. That's where those big rubber bumpers have probably been taken off at some point in time. Give it a cleaner look. But the thing that gets me on these, I think that particular style quarter glass would be 73 or 74, and then they changed the body style to the Cordoba body style in 75. But what I was saying is, I don't know if you can see the design, but check out that interior. Now, it is a bucket seat car, but it's a column shift. Now, so I don't know if those bucket seats were added later, but they match the back seat, and that pattern is pretty disco right there. That's I don't know if that's almost like like a Indian blanket or something. These, like I said, it's got full set of the road wheels on it. I think that one's missing the center. The other cool thing about these is There you go, Dodge Charger. Or the tail lights. I always like the tail lights on these cars. To me, they scream to have a sequential function like the Cougars and some of the Pontiacs did. But just cool looking, tail lights, just stretching out across the back. Yeah, not a bad old car. Like I said, there, a little bit crusty. There's a quarter on this side, so you'd have to have some work for sure. I don't know what motor's in it. Okay, it's got an inside latch, and the place is not open just yet, so don't want to poke around under it too much. So like I said, it's got an inside latch, so I couldn't get the hood open, and the doors are I guess locked or what have you. But there it is. I'll walk around with a couple of cool cars just sitting right beside the highway. You never know. Like I said, when the time to video these things and to share them is when you see them, and that's what happened this morning. So appreciate you taking a look and riding with me this morning. This is Field Agent 880. Like I said, Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. If you see these videos, hit the subscribe button, and the bell notification will let you know when a new one drops, so that way you can share it with your buddies. And leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. Like I said, there's still some of this stuff out there, and we'll keep bringing it to you as long as you ride with us. I appreciate you coming along this morning. It's Field Agent 880. Have a good day.